If you want to grow free raspberries and blackberries, check it out. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to take fruit from the store or fruit that you have laying around and possibly going bad and extracting the seeds to grow free plants. Let's go. All right, so it's really simple. I'm going to show you how to do this. It only takes a couple minutes, which is pretty awesome. So get yourself some raspberries, get yourself some blackberries, whatever type of fruit you want that has viable seeds inside. These need to come from within the US though. If they come from Mexico or like Chile or any other kind of big fruit producing agricultural country, they can't come from there because once they import them into the United States, they usually radiate them to kill off any foreign hitchhikers or seeds that might sprout, stuff that might be invasive. They basically do that to purify the fruit from causing issues on our agricultural system. And so take some US grown, these are grown in California, some raspberries here. Honestly, California, you grow some pretty darn good raspberries. So we're gonna take the fruit here, just a couple is all you really need. Throw them into a colander, and then we're just going to smash. We're just gonna smash them back and forth. And you're gonna grate those seeds up against that sieve, I should say, not colander, but a sieve. Grate them along that sieve, rake them back and forth with a spoon really aggressively. You're not gonna damage the seed, don't worry. And do that, and what that's gonna do is gonna break apart the pulp. It's gonna separate the seeds back and forth. Takes a little bit, do that, there we go. And then we're gonna take the spoon with the seeds and the pulp, we're gonna drop it into a little mason jar. Super simple. Again, there we go. And then we're gonna take some water, and we're going to add the water to the mason jar, just like that. And literally within seconds, you can see all the viable seeds dropping down and all of the pulp and other inviable seeds are floating. So literally if you just take it and dump it off like this, you're going to clean all of the seeds using gravity because the dense viable seeds sink down to the bottom and the rest of the pulp and other things, they float just like that. And now all we have to do is throw it on some damp paper towel and put it in the fridge to cold stratify. So next what you have to do is you need to take that seed that you just got, put it on this paper towel. And that paper towel is gonna go into a Ziploc baggie into the fridge for about 3 to 5 weeks. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cold stratify these seeds because if you don't cold stratify them, they will not germinate and you're gonna be ending up with just kind of a moldy waste of time. So once we got that, we're going to, like I said, stick them in a Ziploc baggie, just like that. And this is such a simple way to get free plants. Now, there's a couple fruits that I won't say don't want to do this with, but one in particular are strawberries. Strawberries are open pollinated, and because of that, you're going to end up with a total kind of a very grab bag result. A lot of times you're going to get a wild strawberry that is simply going to be teeny tiny, more like an alpine strawberry, and it's going to be a really big waste of time. The nice thing with raspberries and blackberries is that they're open pollinated. You're going to get some type of raspberry. Might be more of a black cap raspberry, could be the same raspberry, but you're going to get a raspberry. With blackberries, you're going to get a blackberry. Blueberries are the same way. You take a blueberry. Blueberries you can blend really easily. Throw them in a blender, pulse them for a couple seconds, sift off that water and the pulp and the inviable seeds, clean them out, throw your blueberries in there. You're gonna get blueberries. It's absolutely incredible just how simple it is. And like I said, it only takes about 3 to 5 weeks in the fridge to cold stratify them. Blackberries are the same way as raspberries. Take them, smash them down. A little tougher to smash, but same process. Same exact process applies. We're gonna smash those down. There we go. Smash those down. Extract the seeds from the pulp. Because the thing is you gotta smash them, because the kind of the fruit that encompasses the seed can be really sticky to that seed. So you gotta kind of grind it against something. That's why I said you're not gonna damage the seed. You just gotta grind it up against the metal in that sieve, or use a little bit of a blender if you can turn it on a low setting. And it's a very easy way to get fruit. Now the other nice thing why I prefer raspberries and blackberries for this method is because they're so inexpensive, one. Two, they don't require that long to give fruit. Generally, blackberries, raspberries, you're gonna be getting fruit within 2 to 3 years, guaranteed, if you do this from seed. They grow incredibly fast. They are incredibly easy to save seeds from. And all you need, like I threw 4 blackberries in there, 4 or 5 blackberries, and I guarantee you, I've got what's gonna be probably 200 seeds, maybe more than that. It's really remarkable. Throw that in there. Here's the blackberry. Be careful, it does stain really easily. There's your blackberries right there. Let them settle out. Do that a couple times where you clean out the water, pour it off, fill it up until the water runs clear. Throw them on a damp paper towel. Put them in a Ziploc baggie. Put them in the crisper drawer of your fridge for 3 to 5 weeks. And it is the simplest way to get free plants ever. Heck, you can take some of those plants, throw them in a little 3-inch pot, and sell them at a farmer's market. Make a little side money. They're so easy. And I gotta say, very, very clean seed. You know, you get a little bit of pulp in there, but you can clean that out more if you wanted, but so easy to do. Only takes, I mean, you saw me, it takes 5-10 seconds. So I hope you guys will try this, because I see all the time in my inbox, Luke, what is a simple way, do you sell raspberry seed? Luke, do you sell blackberry seed? We sell the plants in spring as dormant plants, but what's a simple way to propagate? Simple way to propagate? Take the fruit, smash it up, throw it on a Ziploc baggie, throw it in some soil, you're off to the races. Absolutely so easy to do, and anyone can do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple tutorial. I really hope that you'll try this. Let me know how it works for you, and report back and let me know which stuff you sprouted in the comments box down below. You can do this with apples as well, not even just small little soft-bodied fruits. Take the seeds out of apples, throw them in a Ziploc baggie, throw them in the fridge. You can do the same thing. They sprout very easily. So a ton of fun, great project for you or the kids, and it's just a good way to get your hands involved with gardening when it might be kind of nasty out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, this is Luke from the MIgardener channel, reminding you all to grow bigger, and we'll catch you all later. See ya. Bye. Hey, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed, consider clicking this one. You'll probably enjoy it just as much. I want to thank you for your viewership, because without it, this channel would not be as amazing as it is. Also, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. It's free, and we upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. We also have vegetable seeds, fertilizer, or tools. If you need any of those, consider visiting MIgardener.com. Links will be in the description box below. We've got you covered. And as always, we'll see you all in the garden. Take care.